VLOOKUP is non-functional when we want to pick something from left of the lookup column. Here is the lookup column in our table array. Here is the result column located at the left of lookup column. Let's see what VLOOKUP function does when our result column is on left of lookup column. Insert VLOOKUP function in cell G7. Lookup value will be name of employees. We have selected our table array. Pressing F4 once converts the range into absolute reference. We want VLOOKUP to pick incentive data from column 2 of table array. Select false as we want an exact match. Close parenthesis and hit Ctrl and Enter. VLOOKUP couldn't perform. Let's see if VLOOKUP can pick region from column 1. Again, VLOOKUP just refused to work. Let's put result column on the right side of lookup column and see what VLOOKUP does now. Use VLOOKUP function again. This time result column is on the right of lookup column. So we have seen that VLOOKUP function is useful only when result columns are placed on the right of lookup column. But in case we face a scenario where we are not in a position to move the result column or columns which are placed on the left of lookup column, we won't be able to use VLOOKUP function. In that scenario, we would be using the combination of index and match. Let's start writing our formula. We want index function to pick incentive values from array B5 to B10. Row number can be fetched with the help of match function. Match function will look up name in cell F7. It will then match the name in cell F7 with the names mentioned in array C5 to C10. Match will pick the exact name. Close parenthesis twice and hit Ctrl and Enter. Here is the result that index along with match has fetched from left column of the lookup column. We can now see in a separate way that how match function has fetched and matched the correct row number for all the names against their respective values. Lookup value would be named. Lookup array would be cells containing all the names. In this particular formula, we need to log the range. Match needs to pick exact name. Close parenthesis and hit Ctrl and Enter. This is how match function picked the position number for all the names in the previously used index and match function. Your practice time begins. It's time to move towards our next topic.